Most people know a gold IRA helps you invest in physical metals. But what does that really mean for your retirement? If all your savings are tied to the stock market or paper assets, you might be more exposed than you think, especially in times of inflation or economic uncertainty. Let me show you how this works and how a gold IRA could help you diversify without changing everything. This is one of Augusta's free educational guides, and it explains how a gold or silver IRA can help reduce risk in your retirement plan. You're still using an IRS recognized account, either tax deferred or tax free like any other IRA. But instead of stocks or mutual funds, you're holding physical gold and silver. These metals have been used as inflation hedges for decades. They are stored in secure, non-government depositories, and you stay in control of your choices the whole way through. It's not about betting on gold, it's about adding something time-tested and tangible to balance out your portfolio. I've linked this guide in the description. This diversification guide is just one part of Augusta's Gold IRA Ultimate Guide, a full set of free PDFs that also walk you through setup, fees, buyback policies, and more. If you're new to precious metals, this bundle gives you a clear picture of how everything works before you make any decisions. If you've been thinking about protecting your retirement from inflation or market swings, this is a great starting point. You can download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle for free. It's linked below the video. No pressure, just solid education so you can explore your options with confidence.